Today we are going to see the response and its effect. What do you mean by response? Whatever happened to you, you are giving your response to that particular activity. And that activity and your response is actually counting you as a responsible person. If you are taking responsibility of your own life, then you have to correct your response. Response to every situation, every thought, and as well as every moment of your life. If you want to do something better for society, if you want to do something great for your own life, then definitely you have to take responsibility. And responsibility means your ability to give response for your own action as well as giving response through your own actions. When we talk about responsibility, it is countable, it is giving you an account of your own opportunities as well as your own response to your future. If you are taking responsible actions, then definitely you are going to get an amazing results. If you want to get an amazing results, dear friends, if you want to achieve something great in your life, you have to be responsible. You have to see that dream, and definitely to achieve, to accomplish that dream, you have to make a plan, and definitely that plan is leading to your dream. And dear friends, don't just stop from taking action. And the third and very important step is taking action on your plan. You have a dream, you have seen that dream, you want to accomplish that dream, you make a fantastic plan, but still if you are not having the courage to take action, to go out of the comfort zone, then no one is going to help you. Only you have to take that courage, you have to be responsible, and you have to be amazing with your own life, and you have to take that action for which you are doing procrastination, for which you are doing the things which you don't want to do in your life because you don't want to leave your comfort zone, and then every miracle, every good things is going to happen with you, and definitely you will surprise yourself by achieving your dream. If you want to get an amazing results, make sure you subscribe to this channel as well as you watch the videos which are adding value to your life. So wish you all the best. Up to now you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.